what is up everyone, and welcome back to the Animus. And today's the day we are choosing the 1000 subscribers giveaway. Now I'm super excited for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you did miss out on this giveaway, don't worry, there will be others on the channel. I would like to thank Gaahleri Airbrushes for providing one of the airbrushes that are going to be giving out today in the channel, as well as a huge shout out to Gundam Plays, which is where I got the color test cards from to give away in this channel as well. Now for this giveaway, we are going to be giving away the color test cards, the airbrush, the Master Grade SD Barbatos, and the stand, as well as an airbrush stand from Gaahleri. Now, without further ado, I did ask a question, and it was, if you could only build one model kit, which one would it be? And I did have a lot of nice answers that you guys left in the comment section. Now, for the actual giveaway itself, we will be using the YouTube comment picker. Now, for those of you that are familiar, we did use the comment picker before on the last video that we used with the actual giveaway for the airbrushes. And, you know, it seemed to work very well. We will be doing the same thing for this one. So the way that it works is that I'll go ahead and insert this link into the slot and then choose a winner. So let's go ahead and do that. And good luck, everyone. Now, again, we will be choosing one winner for this giveaway. It is probably going to be a little different once we hit our next milestone. But for now, for the 1K subs, we will be only choosing one winner. So quick drum roll here, and good luck to everyone. All right, so here we go. Now for the winner itself, here we have at MKLSKBCH. I am not sure what that spells out, but congratulations, you are the winner. As long as you qualify with it being, being within the United States, you are the winner for this giveaway. So congratulations, my dude. Let's see the answer to the question. He says, congratulations to the milestone. He says, high grade Moon Gundam, hands down. I still wish for a master grade version of it though. He said, I deleted my original comment since I can tell if I properly participated in the giveaway. This is very important because he did say something very specific here. I did see a lot of comments that did not qualify for the giveaway. So if your comment would have shown up and it did not meet the criteria for the giveaway, I would not chosen you as the winner. We would have picked a different winner. So I'm really glad that this guy is the comment that actually showed up, because he did point something out that's very important. And again, congratulations, my dude. Please, I am going to go ahead and reply to your comment. So we can go ahead and link up to either Instagram or email. So that way I can go ahead and ship out the Master Grade SD Barbatos. So super hyped. It is an amazing kit to build. Thank you so much for everyone that participated. Again, I will go ahead and link up with you so we can go ahead and get that out there. If you want, go ahead and leave a comment on this video so I can go ahead and reply to you. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and keep a lookout for future giveaways on the channel. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you all next time.